Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the latest updates on the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq. As many of you know, we've been closely following the developments of this luxury electric crossover, and there's been some significant news to share. So, let's jump right in and explore the most recent updates. First update. GM releases fix for 2024 Cadillac Lyriq liftgate water intrusion issue. Leaving us a like proves you like what we do here. Then be sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notification to be notified of any recent video. Thank you. Our first update concerns a service update released by General Motors for select units of the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq. It appears that some vehicles may be experiencing an issue with water intrusion in the liftgate or near the cargo area. Tagged with service update number N242,440,290, GM has instructed certified technicians to inspect affected vehicles and replace the liftgate glass, along with various electrical components as needed. This fix is estimated to take approximately 3.5 hours to complete. While the exact number of affected units is still unclear, it's reassuring to see GM taking proactive steps to address this issue. In addition to the liftgate water intrusion issue, there have been some other noteworthy developments surrounding the Cadillac Lyriq. Recently, an impressive 50% conquest rate for the Lyriq, indicating that half of the buyers had previously owned vehicles from competing automakers. This strong conquest rate is a testament to the appeal of the electric luxury crossover, which saw a remarkable sales increase of nearly 7,500% to 9,154 units during Q4 of 2023. Drivetrain options and performance boost. For those considering the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq, it's important to note the available drivetrain options. The Lyriq rear-wheel drive variant features a single motor mounted on the rear axle, delivering 340 horsepower and 325 pound-feet of torque. Meanwhile, the all-wheel drive version boasts a combined 500 horsepower and 450 pound-feet of torque with dual electric motors, one on each axle. And for those seeking an extra performance boost, the Velocity Upgrade package is available for all-wheel drive units, adding 74 pound-feet of torque and reducing the 0 to 60 miles per hour time from 4.7 to 4.4 seconds. Be reminded the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq rear-wheel drive variant offers an impressive 314 miles on a full charge, while the all-wheel drive version provides slightly less at 307 miles. These range figures highlight the efficiency and capabilities of the Lyriq's GM Ultium battery and Ultium drive motors technologies. While navigating the transition to electric mobility may pose challenges for some, the allure of the Lyriq transcends the traditional hurdles associated with EV ownership. The Lyriq's electric drivetrain. At the heart of the Cadillac Lyriq lies its electric drivetrain, a technological marvel that sets it apart from its internal combustion counterparts. Powered by a 102.0 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery pack and featuring an electric motor on each axle, the Lyriq delivers a potent 500 horsepower. This formidable powertrain not only propels the vehicle with grace and precision, but also ensures a nearly silent driving experience, characteristic of electric propulsion. Sacrifice and reward. Undeniably, owning an EV demands a shift in lifestyle and mindset, and the Cadillac Lyriq is no exception. While electric vehicle enthusiasts may readily embrace the transition, ordinary individuals may perceive it as a sacrifice. However, the Lyriq challenges this notion by offering a compelling proposition, a seamless fusion of luxury and sustainability that outweighs any inconvenience. The sacrifices made in adapting to EV ownership pale in comparison to the rewards reaped from driving the Lyriq. Emergence as a dark horse. Amidst the burgeoning competition in the US electric car market, the Cadillac Lyriq emerges as a dark horse, disrupting the landscape dominated by luxury SUVs. Surpassing models from esteemed brands like Mercedes and BMW, the Lyriq carves its niche as a frontrunner in the EV revolution. Its soaring popularity signals a paradigm shift in consumer preferences, with discerning buyers gravitating towards the allure of sustainable luxury. General Motors (GM) emerges as a frontrunner in production efficiency, as evidenced by the remarkable cost savings achieved in manufacturing the Cadillac Lyriq EV. The latest earnings report from GM, as shared by CEO Mary Barra, unveils a significant reduction in production costs for the Lyriq, marking a pivotal moment in the journey towards affordable electric luxury. Production advancements. GM's relentless pursuit of excellence in EV manufacturing is underscored by the substantial progress made in battery module production, which has witnessed a staggering 300% increase in the last 6 months. This exponential growth not only bolsters GM's production capacity, but also contributes to driving down the cost of building the Cadillac Lyriq by over $12,000 within a year. Such unprecedented cost savings signify GM's prowess in streamlining production processes and optimizing resources, ultimately translating into tangible benefits for consumers. Commitment to EV expansion. Despite encountering production challenges in 2023, GM remains steadfast in its commitment to expanding its EV portfolio. With ambitious plans to build between 200,000 and 300,000 EVs in North America in 2024, GM sets a bold precedent for the industry, signaling its unwavering dedication to driving the electric mobility revolution forward. Moreover, the introduction of new models, such as the GMC Sierra Denali EV and Cadillac Escalade IQ, Celestiq, and Optiq underscores GM's relentless pursuit of innovation and diversity in its EV lineup. Implications for the EV market. GM's remarkable progress in EV production carries significant implications for the broader EV market, particularly for competitors like Tesla. As GM positions itself to achieve positive variable profit on its Ultium EVs later this year, it poses a formidable challenge to Tesla's dominance in the global EV market. With Tesla experiencing workforce layoffs and facing increased competition from other manufacturers, GM's ascendancy heralds a new era of competition and innovation in the electric automotive landscape. Future outlook. As GM continues to ramp up EV production and navigate challenges in emerging segments, such as autonomous driving, with its Cruise robotaxi service, the company remains poised for growth and expansion. With strengthened financial optimism for the year and a strategic focus on bolstering its EV portfolio, GM is well positioned to lead the charge towards a sustainable and electrified future. As consumers eagerly await the arrival of affordable electric luxury vehicles like the Cadillac Lyriq, GM's production mastery promises to reshape the automotive industry and drive progress towards a greener tomorrow. And there you have it, the latest updates on the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq. From addressing technical issues to impressive sales figures and performance enhancements, the Lyriq continues to impress in the electric vehicle market. As always, stay tuned for more updates and news on this exciting luxury crossover. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.